I'm here to look for driftwood. So as you can see, the beach is pretty wild. We had a big storm last night and a lot of stuff got thrown up. So good news for me. That means I can find some nice handles for my new server I'm going to make. And I hope everything goes well. I'll be able to get those back, get those dried, and start making my new bit of pottery. I've got to make sure this thing fits inside my kiln, which isn't huge, but it's good enough. And thinking about the server was difficult because most servers don't have any filigree work that stands out, or bas relief work that stands out in the middle of the actual piece. I've decided to do a large Art Nouveau piece, as you can see here, and I think it's going to look great or it's going to look horrible. I don't know. It's really your opinion, not mine, that counts. So let's see if I can build this without the obvious S cracks. It's important not to make these bas relief pieces too big, otherwise they become a hindrance when you do put food on it. But you can't have them too small either, or they won't fix when you apply them. So let's see what you think, and let's start making this thing. I hope you enjoy the journey. The thing I like about clay is it comes from rocks, which are everywhere on our planet, everywhere in our solar system, and everywhere in our galaxy, evidently. And it's a basic substance. Clay is rock that has been degraded over millions of years, and we turn it into this wonderful soft substance that I can adapt to whatever I want. And as I use it more and more and my hands get dirtier, I wonder if that's what people need. They need to get their hands a bit dirty and get a better balance in what they're doing. I'm trying to do that, so let's see how it goes today. I've just about finished this now. I've got some of the edge pieces I've been working on, which have got some amazing detail. If you look at this one, you can see that very clearly. If you look at this one, you can actually see some handmade squares and shapes on it, which I think this is from a very ancient shipwreck, probably Korean or Japanese, but probably Korean because they did more trading when this was done. This is going to go on the edge of this. It's going to be epoxied with a 2-pack epoxy, so it'll be like rock. And I'm using a stopper, which is a piece of wood which I found on the beach. So I've still got to varnish this one, so it looks really good. And I'm going to put this onto the edge here, and that will stop it from moving and also help the adhering of the glue. I changed my mind about the other piece. I found this piece the other day when I was looking for cuttlefish, which will be in the next movie, you'll see. And you can see the detail on this looks absolutely brilliant. Look at that. So I thought this looked a little bit more dramatic than my other slightly more dull looking piece that I was going to use. I've been saving for ages to use, but now I'm not going to use it again. So here we are. So let's see how it goes, epoxy it, and then you'll literally see the finished product in a few minutes. It's done. Have a look, see if you like it.